Good evening, everybody. And we are about to begin week 3 of coursework. And so let's see what that looks like. When I'm looking at the calendar, today's the 11th, and we're rapidly coming up on the midterm, which is going to be the weekend of the 24th. So let's do our review on the 20th. This way, it gives you a few days to study the material. And but not so far away that it isn't fresh. So that'll be at 7 p.m. I'll try to record it, but remember, there are no, I can't guarantee anything because sometimes Adobe Connect works really well and records easily, and sometimes it doesn't. So um, make your best effort to try to get there. It'll be at 7 p.m. on the 20th. That'll be our midterm review. So this week I will be finishing up grading your discussion posts. And you'll see that in these discussion postings, I will typically write along on the threads. And I do that because since multiple people are posting as one group, this way I am responding to everyone. Because if I go into my speed grader, it's going to be blank except for your response posts. So you'll see that I typically interact with you that way. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I did make some posts this week on how to begin formulating a SOAP note, just so you can see the different pieces of it. And it's very basic. There's a lot more involved in it, but I wanted to introduce you into it so you'd have a bit of an idea as to why we're having you formulate your discussion posts the way that you are. And we're doing that so that you can be prepared to begin documenting correctly. So let's look for week 3. We're going to start 2 new cases this week. And we're going to be focusing on the pulmonary system. So I will be making videos and posting those this week. And your case study discussions are as follows. You've got groups 1, 2, and 3. And this follows the same formation as it has in other weeks. You need to have your initial post in by Wednesday at 11:59. And so make sure that you follow this because I do see when submissions are late. So make sure you get that in on time because don't want you to lose any points. And if you have any questions, please reach out. The one point I want to make also is that if you have questions, please make sure that you put in your course number and your cohort number. We full-time faculty teach 5 courses. That's our load. So I have a lot of students. I want to know exactly what course and cohort you are so that I can more easily answer your question. And if you have any question, Dr. Bruley is still out on medical leave. She had surgery. So please make me aware if the drawers of the Real DX aren't opening. So I hope that we don't have any issues with that this week. But let's move forward and have a great week.